Welcome to Straw. Did you know that simple physical transitions, like solids becoming gases without melting, can transform how drugs work? Imagine using sublimation for stable formulations, where compounds bypass the liquid phase entirely. At a triple point, solid, liquid, and gas coexist. Past the critical point, substances become supercritical fluids. In pharmacies, eutectic mixtures, like those in topical anesthetics, lower melting points to boost drug solubility. Inhalers use this science. Aerosols propel medication into lungs via compressed gases. But watch humidity. High relative humidity makes hygroscopic drugs absorb moisture, risking caking, dissolution, or reduced efficacy. Smart packaging with desiccants guards your medication's potency. Remember, phase changes aren't just chemistry. They're your toolkit for patient care. Looking forward to connect with you.